guys, I hope you all had a great trading day. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a trade example that I took today on EURAUD. So I took a long position from a demand level that was being respected on a daily time frame. So I'm going to switch to my daily time frame quickly, and then you can see exactly the level that I'm talking about. So you can see we've got price coming back to a strong area of demand, which is this area here, right? That's our demand level. And yesterday's close, we had a clear rejection of lower prices, thereby signifying that market is trying to push to the upside, as in the bulls are coming back into the market after such a big drop the past 2 days of trading. You see here, these 2 days there was a huge drop which cleared out old lows to create this new low. So the reason why I took a long position today is because I wasn't expecting price to test the low of yesterday again, right? Since we're coming to the end of the week, I was expecting a bit of a correction to the upside from this demand level. As you can see, my entry point was here. It was during the London session. That's when I took the long position with the anticipation of the ECB fundamentals that was coming in, of which it really did help. Market did push to the upside. So I'm going to go to a lower time frame so that you can clearly see. I'm going to first go to an H4. You can clearly see the trade that I took. I entered the position, I think it should be on this candle here, right? We had clear rejection, but as you can see, this candle here engulfed 1, 2, and almost 3/4 of this down candles. So there was a strong momentum to the upside, and in that momentum I look at the retracement of the swing high and the swing low that was formed, right? And you can clearly see price came back to our 50% retracement and pushed to the upside. So I wasn't expecting to see further moves to the downside. We have already cleared these lows here. So now I'm going to go on to an hourly chart so that you can clearly see. So we had a strong push from a demand, right? And then we had a retracement of almost 50% of this swing low and this swing high, right? We had a 50%. This was also another good entry to the upside, but my entry was somewhere in this range. Reason being that I was expecting a breakout to the upside during the news release of the ECB report that came out this afternoon, and eventually market broke and closed above, and then it rallied. So you can clearly see I'm still in anticipation that we are going to see price trying to reach for these equal highs here, because there's buy stops above there, and long term I'm expecting it to reach for 1.65400. But now, since we are coming to Friday, I might have to close these positions because I really don't like to hold positions over the weekend. So now a quick update again on EURGBP. Remember, this is the one we did yesterday. I did a trade example on EURGBP. As you can see, after taking out half of the position, eventually market exploded to the upside, right? Price did explode to the upside. If you remember correctly, or if you haven't watched the EURGBP trade example from yesterday, the long trade that is before this, you can go back and rewatch that video before continuing to watch this one. So you can clearly see eventually market broke and impulsively move to the upside. So now what I'm gonna do, we've got like a couple of 100 pips. I'm even gonna move my stop loss probably to this just below this bullish order block here, right? So this guarantees me that I can even keep following the price, but you can see my target is up here because there's buy stops, and I'm really expecting it price to reach for those buy stop probably today, or not today but tomorrow, or we're looking at Monday or Tuesday. And then there's another trade that I need to show you that I took again this afternoon. That trade is on USDCAD, right? I took a long position on USDCAD, but as you can see, the trade is in a loss right now. I'm running a losing trade. The reason why I took this trade is because price has now reached an interesting level in its market structure. You see, we've got this gap here, this fair value gap, which is the first time that price has dipped down into that gap. So I'm expecting long positions. This is an area for loading, ideal long positions. So that's why I took that long position, but currently it's a losing trade, you see. So you have to know these things do happen, and it's up to you as a trader to be patient enough and to be able to read the price action of what's happening in terms of market structure. Where does price look as if it wants to go? So if you can look at USDCAD, you can see we had a strong momentum to the downside. So this was probably, so today is Thursday, so this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday. Monday we had a very strong impulsive move from a base that was created during the first drop of the market, and then Tuesday we dropped again, but you can clearly see that momentum to the downside is dying. The momentum is becoming less and less. We are not seeing like the big candles. So if the setup is correct, if the setup is going to be in my favor, then we could clearly see prices start to creep back up. So I'm going to hold this position and keep updating you guys on the progress of this trade. But yeah, I'm really expecting price action to push to the upside. You can see since the 2nd of June, which was Tuesday, price is just in a range. So this range here, I'm expecting market to explode to the upside. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for today. I hope you have learned one or two, and I wish you good luck and happy trading, guys. Thank you.